Hey everyone, welcome back to Java with Mukesh. Today we will learn a very special word in Java called final. It's just like saying no more changes allowed. Let's take a real life example. Imagine you get a chocolate and you write your name on it saying this is final. No one can change it. That's what Java does when we use the final keyword. It means cannot be changed. We use final keyword with variable, method, and classes. Let's go one by one with examples. First is final keyword with variable. When we use final keyword with any variable, then changing its value is not possible. It means once we assign the value, we cannot reassign it. Here, we have defined a variable speed limit with 60. So let's try to reassign it and see what happens. Here we can see that we are getting error while we are trying to changing its value from 60 to 70. But as soon as we remove the final keyword, error has gone. So we have seen once a final variable is initialized, changing its value is not allowed. Now let's see what happens if we use final keyword with method. A final method cannot be overridden by any subclass. Here, inside the vehicle class, we have final method drive. So let's make this vehicle as parent class and this demo class as a child class, that is subclass. Now try to override this final method inside the child class. So we can see that we are getting error here. When we hover over this, we get a message remove final modifier of vehicle drive. So remove this final keyword from here. Now we can see the error has gone. Let's see what if a class is final. A class is final, then it cannot be extended or inherited by any other class. Here we have made this vehicle class as a final class, and when we try to extend this vehicle class, so we are getting error. It means we cannot extend the final class. Last is final with reference variable. If a reference variable is final, it cannot point to another object, but you can modify the object it points to. Let's see this by example. Here we have a person class and we have made the reference variable as final. So when we try to assign a new object with this final reference variable, we get the error, but we are not getting any error while we try to modify the internal state of this object. So we have learned about the final keyword in Java, how it works with variable, methods, and classes, and even with object references. I hope the example made everything clear. Thanks for watching.